what a disaster. And it's almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna miss my ship.
Wowzers, mission accomplished.
Oh, wow. Would you look at that?
Yeah, that's too bad.
Looks like you'll have to stay in Chuggington now, Hamish.
Stay in Chuggington? What are you talking about?
I heard you talking with Morgan about leaving.
I don't know what you think you heard, but I'm not going anywhere.
Huh?
What?
But you told Morgan that you were taking the last ship out.
I wasn't talking about me. I was talking about all this cargo that needs to be on that ship. There won't be another boat to train Sylvania for a week. These apples will be rotten by then.
Oh no.
We are so sorry.
We thought you were leaving, and we were just trying to find a way to keep you here.
Oh, I'm touched. But I would never leave Chuggington. It's my home.
Now you won't get all this cargo to the ship on time.
Because of us.
Well, it's not 5 o'clock yet.
Right.
Hamish, you're gonna make it on time, and we're gonna help you.
Hold on! There's one more load!
Ahoy there! Hold the ship! That's the last of them. Good to go, Skipper.
All cargo aboard! Anchors away, Captain Charlie!
I don't believe it! We actually pulled it off.
Super Spy saved the day! Hello, Chuggington! This is your Rockin' Radio host, Wilson, signing on with the musical debut of the Rockin' Rollers! Woo! 1, 2, 3, hit it!
When you get off track, we'll chugging station to station. Turn a wrong turn into a rockin' situation. Roll with it, that's what you gotta do. Roll with it, you'll get where you're rolling to. When something goes wrong with the plans you made, turn a lemon into lemonade. Roll with it, that's what you gotta do. We've got rock and rollin' rhythm. Now shimmy in your seats, we're the rockin' rollers. Our friendship can't be beat. Yeah, you gotta roll with it. That's what you gotta do. Roll with it. You'll get where you're rolling to. When something goes wrong with the plans you made, turn a lemon into lemonade. Roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. That's what you gotta do.
Koko, that was amazing.
I love you, Koko. Me too. Thanks. That was really fun. Way to go, Koko.
See, I told you! I'm never wrong!
Great news, Koko. Your new horn arrived early.
Would it be okay if we fix it tomorrow? I want to roll with what I got for now.
You got it, Rockstar.
Ty takes the lead as she reaches the relay point and hands a car off to Rosa. They've detached from their cars and are headed straight for the tunnel in an incredibly close race. And the winners are Ty and Rosa. Our final matchup is Koko and Zeffy versus Wilson and Brewster.
Ready, partner? I am. I just hope you are.
On your tracks. Get set. Go! Koko barely slows down, attaching to the hopper car and flying by the cheering crowd. Koko makes it to the relay point first.
I just hope my lead was big enough.
Zeffy zooms down the hill. Brewster comes in on the inside track and takes the lead. Brewster detaches first, but Zeffy is right behind him. And she's closing the gap as they reach the tunnel.
She's actually keeping up.
Wow! Looks like you found a great partner after all.
Here they come. Chugga chugga choo choo.
They're in the final stretch.
I can't believe how close it is.
And with a record time, the winners of the rip-roaring relay race are Brewster and Wilson.
Me too. And me.
All right, the Junior Chug Patrol is back in control.
So, what's the emergency, Chief?
It's Cormac. He's in trouble.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's watch monkeys. I mean, save Cormac.
Hold on, Cormac. Chug Patrol is here.
Oh, I hope it's not just you, because I got a really big problem here.
I brought my junior crew.
Oh, no. Maybe we should wait for Jackman and Asher? I can hang here a little bit longer. Whoa! Or not.
Don't worry about a thing, Cormac. We got this. Hoot and Toot, you bring CP6 under Cormac and I'll lower him down.
Come on, this way. No, this way. No.
Remember, Chug Patrollers have to work together.
The Chief is right. I'm gonna back us closer. Tell me when we're right under him. That's good.
Piper, how's the crane look?
It's all smoky.
Zeffy, spray water on the crane and stop it from overheating.
But I've never hit a single target. I can't just hit the crane.
Just take a deep breath and aim. You can do this.
I can do this. I can do this. Whoa! Woo!
Perfecto job, Zeffy. Okay, Cormac, here we go.
Train-tastic.
Woohoo! Yes!
We did it.
I'm on it.
Piper, slow down.
We really don't have time for this. I'm a racing chugger! Zoom, 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 zoom! Gotcha! Again! Piper, we know you love to play. So do we. But we just can't right now. We really have to get this job done. Okay. Tag! You're it! At this rate, we're never gonna get this delivery done. Yeah, it's like everything's a game to Piper.
A game? Hey, that's it.
What's it?
Piper loves to play games, right? So we'll pretend we're playing a game, only we'll be finishing the delivery at the same time.
Traintastic. Great idea.
Piper, come on out. You won the game.
I did? Yes. But I bet we win the next one. Next one? Ooh, what is it? What is it?
First, you'll need a car of your own.
Here, you can use mine. I did it! Do I win?
Not yet. To win this game, you have to get to the safari park before you're caught by the chasers.
And that's us.
Ready, set, go! Here come the chasers.
Let's catch me!
Go back to being sweet and cute. Princess! Bumpers! I've lost her! Princess, where are you? I've got to find her. She's my responsibility. Princess? Princess, where are you? Princess? She's out there somewhere all alone, doing her little backflips. I better go tell Matamba what happened.
Hi, Wilson. How's monkey sitting going?
I've lost Princess, and I'm really worried. I'm the worst monkey sitter ever.
I'm sure it's not your fault, Wilson. I mean, monkeys are cute and all, but they can sometimes be kind of bananas.
Bananas? Of course! Thanks, Koko!
Oh, I cleaned every nook and cranny. No more monkey germs at Frostini's. Oh, not you again! Frostini just scrubbed the whole factory.
Princess! There you are! I was so worried! Oh no, I'm not falling for it this time. Not cute, not cute. Aw, who's a cutie little monkey? You are, that's right.
Mamma mia.
Thanks for keeping an eye on her, Faustini. But I better take her back to the safari park. Come on, Princess.
That's the best idea I heard all day.
Look out! Sorry, Mr. Squirrel. I did it! Ha! I'm no mess magnet. I got through all that without getting messy at all. I'm still a clean machine. I can't wait to show Brewster and Koko how wrong they were about me. Mud! Gotta get back on track! Yes! Wilson avoids the mud and tipping over. Way to go, Wilson! Huh? Hold on, Mr. Squirrel. I'll save you. But if I go in there, I'll get all messy. Messy or not messy, a chugger's gotta do what a chugger's gotta do. Hop onto my coupler, Mr. Squirrel. Now hold on while I get us out of this mud. Like I always say, sometimes you gotta go backwards to go forwards. Perfecto. Aw, you're welcome, Mr. Squirrel. My friends were right. Just look at me. I'm a muddy mess. But it was worth it.
Stop! Whoa! Whoa!
You're welcome.
Mamma mia! My brand new glass ice cream dishes!
Welcome back, Koko. How did it go today?
Best day ever!
Honking horns, what a day! I just unwedged a car full of fruit from the safari park gates. Monkeys got out and were jumping all over the place.
Car full of fruits?
Things seem to be going wrong everywhere today.
What do you mean?
I was just down at the docks and it's a real mess. Boxes are all over the place. A ship came in too fast and smashed into everything.
A ship.
Yeah, could one of you come and help me clean up? Skipper Stu and Hamish have to go and make their deliveries.
Wow. Makes you wonder what else could go wrong today.
Frostini! Oh no. I'm so sorry, Frostini.
That's okay, Koko. I don't need any more help.
First the mess at the docks, then the safari park. And now this? Morgan was right. I wasn't ready to have super strength.
Super strength?
I wanted to be strong like Brewster. But instead, I made a huge mess of everything.
Koko, there's one thing Frostini always says.
Have more ice cream?
See, but Frostini also says, be true to what you are. And what you are is fast. You go so fast, you make my head spin.
It's true. I am super fast.
But you are also a good friend, eh? Because that's who you are. See?
Thanks, Frostini.
And where are you off to now?
I've got to go see a friend about a hydraulic powered booster.
Ciao, Koko.
Ciao, Koko.
Mamma mia, my brand new glass ice cream dishes. Welcome back, Koko. How did it go today?
Best day ever! Honking horns, what a day! I just unwedged a car full of fruit from the safari park gates.
Ciao, Koko.
There's no chance I'll be the best at this.
Are you sure? Maybe you just need a little training, a great coach, and the eye of the chugger. That's my chugger.
Yeah!
Remember, eye of the chugger.
Eye of the Chugger. Thanks, Coach.
Estoy tan feliz! I'm so happy you're here, and I'm looking forward to an exciting competition.
Me too, Rosa. And may the best Chugger win.
Go, Wilson! Go, Rosa! Toss those rocks! Hi!
Yes! This is awesome! I can't believe I've never done this before.
And I can't believe this is your first time! You're muy bueno! That means very good.
Oh, thanks. Eye of the Chugger.
Oh! How does he do that?
I have no idea.
Nicely done, Chugger.
Only one job left, trainees, and it's a whopper.
Oh no!
Not that one.
We'll never move it.
Are you so certain?
Even with breathing and balance, it's just too heavy. I can't.
Can't is all in your mind. We will banish it by learning the third way of the truck, the way of focus.
He's so wise.
He really is.
Wow. I didn't think I could do that.
Do not think it, trainee. Know it. Let's put what you have learned to the test.
Be strong and get it done.
No. Be calm and get it done.
Right. I will, Hanzo. And thank you.
You can do it.
Wheels to the rails. Breathing, balance, focus.